Alrighty, this one we're gonna go over how to draw Destroyah from Godzilla. It's gonna be like a chibi version of Destroyah though. If you've ever heard that name, Destroyah, really amazingly cool design, and we're gonna draw him step by step in a chibi, like I said, style. So let's kind of jump right into the lesson immediately and get started. Alright, so let's get into Destroyah here. Alrighty. Let's do it! So this kind of chibi version of Destroyah, which is always like fun. I'm gonna go over here and start with line up here for the eye. It's amazing. So with kaiju, it's always their design, right, that gets them popular. I've noticed. Curve underneath, pull in. So we got his eye right here. It's gonna furrow. That eye's gonna furrow in, pull up. Alright. And now we're going to go over here, line up for the brow, down here. Line underneath the eye there. Alright. And let's draw that huge spike. He has this like unicorn-like spike. And it's coming right out of his head. Line over here. So I'm a huge Godzilla fan. If you are too, that's probably why you're watching this. Say hi. Line underneath. Back. Pull back over here. Down. This side. Down. Alright, go on the far end. Out. Down over here. Out. Down for the mouth now. Pulling back. Smiley here. So at the corner of his face right here, he has these spikes coming out of here. So like these extra, like right there is like teeth. It's like 3 of them coming over here. Up over here. Curve down over here. And now we're gonna give him the teeth down here, okay? So right there, triangle, 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 triangle. A little more over here. Opening the mouth. Curve over here. Teeth down here. Over here in the back, we're gonna do the same thing. So now we have his lower teeth right there. Down, underneath, up. Angle here for the jaw, up. So now we're gonna do the giant fan he kind of has over here on the sides. They're like ears or something. It's like down here, and then we're gonna go over here and draw the other shape right here. He's got these giant like sails or something for the side of his head. Let's go find the far end ones. Over here, down, up. Over here, up. All right. Now we're gonna draw his little body. He's gonna have curve right here for his arm. He has like a spike coming out of his arm. He's basically full of spikes, this character. Over here, curve, zigzag for his one hand. Remember, he's a chibi version, so he's gonna have this baby hand. Curve over here for the stomach. Another curve right below the hand here for the leg. And he's got like spikes all up in his leg. He's got these 3 spikes on his knee. So 1, 2, 3. Out over here, up. Down, down. Out, up for the foot. He's got these 3 claws on his foot. Curve here, curve here, curve here. Completing his stomach here. Over here for the far side foot. Far side foot over here. Same thing. These, we're gonna draw 2 of the spikes on his knee right there. And then we're gonna keep going down and draw 2 of the spikes for his actual foot there. Curve, curve. Line over here, line over here for his arm, his other arm. Same thing. Those baby spikes coming out of his hand. This is the Chibi version. Finally, let's do the wings. He's got these giant wings. He's got so much junk on him. Down, in. Over here in the far end. Down, in as well. Over here underneath. Over here underneath. Curve. He's got the tail. He's got this kind of C shape for the tail. And he's got ridges on that tail. Like so. Let's go over here to the stomach. And then the stomach, he has this kind of pattern, almost like there's... Well, basically, you can just put like this kind of pattern on his stomach right here. You know? I don't know what to call that. Go in his mouth over here. Don't forget, by the way, hit the like button if you like Destroyah. Absolutely huge character in the Godzilla universe. But yeah, if you want me to draw some other ones, let me know. Over here, maybe. Now the rest of this is going to be detail. See, line over here, like the ridges right here for the wing. See how that ridge there? Line over here. Right on. So everything else just gonna be detail. So what I would do immediately is I would draw a thicker line a little bit here in the front of his face, kind of. Actually, more so here, because there's so much stuff going on behind him. Destroyah has so much going on that I think drawing a thicker line is gonna create better focus right there on his face. And you can always throw, like, you know, lines over here in the horn. Really, you know, you can always throw in texture and stuff like that. But for the most part, that's pretty much it. That's a Chibi Destroyah. Like I said, he's got a ton of detail, which is funny. He's got too much detail, if anything. He's a great character, though, and I think he's awesome. But let me know if you want to see Chibi version of any other character. That is pretty much it. That's a Chibi version of Destroyah from the Godzilla universe. Talk to you later. Hey, For those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, you know, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, you know, long term. And I get that, that's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy, and the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it. So talk to you later, and hopefully I'll catch you over there later. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload, and on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more